We outgrew GHL, and this isn't a comparison video, it's actually a post-mortem. We use GHL, and what I mean by we use GHL, we used it hard. We ran our funnels, our workflows, our automations all through GHL, and at first, it worked. Then we introduced AI agents, and I'm talking about real ones. Agents that actually talk to people, agents that qualify prospects, that book meetings, that secure intent. That's when the cracks started to show. I like to start with respect. Highlevel built an incredible platform. They didn't just build software, they built an ecosystem. But ecosystems evolve, and when markets mature, the value shifts. GHL won the tools era. But that era is ending. GHL solved a massive problem. They gave agencies flexibility, funnels, automations, workflows. But flexibility wasn't the first wave. The next wave isn't about what's possible. It's about what makes money consistently, while removing the operator in this case. Remove the agency owner out of the equation instead of being drowned in client emails, support requests, and the rest. And here's the part no one really likes to admit. With GHL, the agency becomes the system integrator. You don't just sell, you build, you maintain, you debug, you customize. Every client is now a new configuration. That is not leverage. That is hidden labor. That's hidden cost to you as the operator. For us, when we started to see the cracks, workflows broke, edge cases stacked, automations failed silently, and every fix created 3 more conditions. We weren't running a revenue system anymore. We were babysitting logic, and that's not scalable. Here's the truth that no one wants to say. AI agents are not workflows, and they're not triggers, and they're not if this, then that. They behave like a real team member. And team members don't live inside brittle automations. What happens after an AI secures a deal? Who sends the contract? Who handles the objection? Who closes? That's where the human intersects. Not randomly, but systematically. So we stopped trying to force AI into tools built for automation, and we built AssignX. It's a system where AI and humans work in unison. The moment human judgment is required, the system flags it, and AI actually notifies it, and a real human intercepts. Contracts closed, escalation, everything happens inside of one AI-powered CRM. There's no duct tape, there's no sync delays. More importantly, there's no broken workflows. It's one system, one timeline, and one source of truth. GHL is great at automation, but automation assumes predictability. AI introduces variances, and variances break rigid systems. We don't need more workflows. We need collaboration between AI and people. We call it human in the loop. AI handles speed, human handles judgment, and the system coordinates both in harmony. This isn't about replacing humans, it's about removing friction. Let AI do what it's good at, and let people do what only people can. We didn't set out to replace GHL, we simply outgrew it. And when you outgrow a system, you don't really complain, you just build. And that's what AssignX is.
See the man who won't stay for you.